Mabagal ba? Kahapon nakita ako ng turtle o pagong sa isang pond. At medyo malaki na tong turtle na to. Nakakatuwa kasi minsan lang lumilitaw at natsyempohan ko pa na lumabas siya. Pansin ko mabilis siyang lumangoy Tapos siya pa yung predator dun sa pond. Pero alam naman natin pag turtle, di ba? When the turtle is on the surface, mabagal siyang gumalaw. Ika nga usad pagong. Pero here's the thing about turtles. They can live for so many years, unlike our other pets. Kaya kahit mabagal siya, patibay siya at tumatagal. Baka nakaka-relate tayo sa turtles. Kasi minsan, feeling natin ang bagal ng usad, ang bagal ng development, ang bagal ng progress. Parang ang tagal ng asenso. But this slow pace might be a time for strengthening. Baka it's a time to really practice our patience. Baka pinagtitibay ka ni Lord. The Lord is strengthening you and the Lord is teaching you some things in life na hindi siya pwedeng mabilisang matutunan. Hindi lahat ng bagay pwedeng gawan ng shortcut. You really have to go through the process. At yes, medyo mabagal ang feeling mo ngayon, but if you're given the right opportunity and in the right environment, katulad ng pagong, baka mabilis ka sa paglangoy. Kaya build your strength. Katulad ng mga taong pumupunta sa gym, they're building their resistance. Kaya tawag dyan, resistance training. You have to resist temptations, you have to resist flaring up at magalit, and you have to resist giving up kasi kaya mo talaga yan. At sa tamang panahon, you will succeed. My prayer for you is that you ask the Lord to help you become stronger, last longer, and become more prayerful.